Hello everyone, my name is Harjot Singh and today I am here to present in front of you Android thermometer. Easy way to transfer body temperature readings directly to the Android phone over Bluetooth. My friend Kim is working as a nurse in a hospital. Every day she has to check temperature of 30 patients and then make a data sheet manually for each patient. Moreover, she has to record temperature after every 4 hours. This means she is devoting more than 3 hours of her work shift for making data sheets only. And this time can be utilized to treat patients. Various medical equipments are used nowadays to check body temperature. Number one is simple thermometer, but it needs time to read from the scale. Other is smart sensor thermometer, but this one is expensive. And there are some other equipments which are bulky and heavy, and nurses have to drag these equipments to every room. This is the reason why we built Android thermometer, a way to collect patient temperature directly into smartphone using Bluetooth. This technique helps nurses for saving their valuable time in data entry and allowing them to see more patients. This is how it works. The Android phone should be paired with the thermometer by a click on pre-installed application on the Android phone. To record patient's temperature, nurse have to go to the patient room and select the patient name on the app and ask him to hold the sensor just for 5 seconds. Body temperature of the patient will go automatically to the smartphone and data will be displayed on the screen. It consists of 4 parts: temperature sensor, microcontroller, Bluetooth muff, and the Android phone. First, the temperature sensor senses the change in temperature. The sensor we used is DS18B20, and it has the range of minus 55 degrees Celsius to plus 125 degrees Celsius. The microcontroller receives the analog data and converts it into digital form. Finally, the data is transferred to the Bluetooth muff connected to the other end of the controller. And this module forwards data to the smartphone, which is paired with it, and hence the data is displayed on the Android phone. We have a prototype that you can try at our demo booth. Thanks everyone for your patience and letting me introduce Android thermometer, the best way to save time, paperwork, and money in the medical field. Thank you so much.